welcome to my new video lesson. Today, I'm taking on a quick and creative challenge, painting a tiny texture in just 3 minutes using my Realistic Watercolor Brushes collection for Procreate. This is a fun and relaxing way to practice your skills, explore new brushes, or just unwind with a bit of art. If you'd like to join me in painting, you can download the template and color palette for free on my Patreon. Let's create a beautiful texture together. I'll start by selecting the first brush to carefully fill the base of the texture with a color. Feel free to use the colors from my provided palette, or personalize the scene with your own choices. By layering different shades, we can create a smooth and visually stunning gradient as the colors blend seamlessly. Don't worry about overlapping colors. The transparency of the brushes allows overlapping colors to interact naturally, creating subtle variations and entirely new shades. Now we need to blend the colors to create a seamless and natural transition between the shades. We will use the water wash brush, which is specifically designed to replicate the fluid and delicate blending effect of traditional watercolors. I will erase the strokes that go beyond the frame. We'll create a snow texture with a delicate snow trace. Begin by selecting the first brush and carefully drawing 2 oval shapes to establish the foundation. Create a new layer on top and using the snowfall brush from the Winter Effects brush collection. Draw snow. Change the pressure on the brush and swipe the brush as many times as necessary to get a dense snow texture. Then select an eraser and erase over the areas we drew earlier. We can now proceed to refining the details, beginning with the addition of animal tracks. Using the first brush to carefully illustrate the tracks, adding depth and character to the composition. Using the top layer on which we drew the snow, we will also draw highlights on the snow using the first brush. The airbrush from the Realistic Watercolor Brushes collection is also great for drawing highlights. This soft textured brush is ideal for creating light, airy effects and enhancing various elements in the scene. Add a little more snow and that's it. In just a few minutes, we've created a beautiful snow trace texture together. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed the process. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.